God is, right? So I just lost another account. I'll be uploading that shortly, but I just want to say that I met somebody in the city where I deliver pizza at. They were handing out soda and water. They had a big cooler and they had a pickup truck. And he said, God bless. I said, that's a righteous thing you're doing, brother. Especially now more than anything. No matter what's going on in people's lives, people need to eat and drink to survive. Hey, that rhyme. I'm making a habit out of this. But I thought that was a nice thing. And I took me a free water and a soda. Because I just bought something to eat out the store, and he pulled into the store to get ice for the cooler. And there's people that panhandle outside, and they came in and said, there's someone out giving free soda and water. They're standing outside. And I said, oh, this is perfect timing, because the Lord says, save your money. You're going to need it. And he put it back into my pocket and let me get something free to drink as a good gesture. I thought that was outstanding. Now keep in mind, I mentioned that I already lost almost $400. Now it's almost $500. I'll be uploading that video as to reasons why. But remember, I told you it ain't about nothing, right? It ain't about nothing, man. Stop feeling sorry for yourself and do something about it. Get up on your high horse. See, I didn't do anything about it because I didn't have time to. I'm trying to catch up on work that people are just now calling me back. So the Lord sent somebody to call me, and I have another shoe store on Walnut Street. And I don't know how they found me, because I don't remember handing them my business card, but it's a new shoe store, a new sneaker store. And the grand opening is next Wednesday. So I'll be taking y'all along for the footage. But I'm going to go on Google and take a look. And I'm going to post the size of the business. And I want y'all to price the job for me. I'm not going to do this. I have till this evening to get an answer to him. And he said he definitely needs it done. He gave me the thumbs up. So take a look at this little clip. You see, you lose one job and you gain a job. That's the nature of the business. It's unfortunate all of it hit me at once. That's all right, man. It ain't about nothing. Like I said, I'll get it back. Trust me, I'll get it back. Either through a new residential client, which I have coming up next week, next Tuesday. I'll be getting footage of that. That's about $300-something right there. You know, that doesn't justify losing $300 every month, because this is a one-shot deal. I mean, I'll have it yearly, but you know what I'm saying. To make that income what I would have made in a year doing route work, commercial, you cannot get off of one house. Yeah, it may pay you more, but you would have to literally get 10 houses to replace that income. And I'm nowhere near getting 10 new clients, new houses. That would justify the means of losing that $400 a month, or whatever the case may be. So I would literally have to do 1 to 2 houses a month of new clients to replace that money, or get a new commercial account. And this is the start. And I haven't even tried. You see how the Lord works in mysterious ways? If you don't get a clue by now, I'm sorry. That's not a direction you want to head. Don't you want good things for yourself? Listen and learn from experience. Help yourself. God helps those who help themselves. So if you acknowledge when he's helping you and when he's reaching out to you, and make yourself keen and aware of these things, that's half the battle. Because you're helping yourself realize God has never left you alone. God has always been there. You were just too blind to see it. Take a look at this clip. Alright, so I went on Google, I couldn't find it. So now, this is the next day. They want to jump on this soon, so I imagine if I couldn't quote the job or do the job, they would have to find somebody else, because he asked me, well, when can I go take a look? So without hesitation, I said tomorrow, which is right now. So it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're getting ready to go over to Philadelphia to take a look at this shoe store that's just opening up. Of all times to open up in the middle of a pandemic, right? How much business are they going to be able to do? Seeing as how they can't really have anybody moving around in the store because we got to isolate. Alright, well, I want y'all to take a look and tell me what you're going to charge. If I hired you to do this job, how much are you going to charge me to do the job for? Because I'm going to leave it up to y'all to price this one. Or let's price it together. How's that sound? Whatever y'all say, the highest bid, I'm going to tell them, well, we always shoot high, work our way down, because if they say yes, it's a winner. See, they definitely want it done. So if I could get it off and give myself a raise on this one particular account, that's how you got to scale up. Every time you get a job, give yourself a raise. Pay yourself $5, $10, even $20 higher than what you normally would charge. You just keep raising the bar. Not so much where you're being a pig about it and somebody say, God damn, you high. You know what I mean? You don't want to scare them away, but you also want to be competitive. You know, you don't want to scare them away being too cheap either. Bucket Bob prices is what I mean. Yeah, you very well may do a good job for Bucket Bob prices, but how long can you keep that up? Usually those people, they fall behind the scenes, and usually customers say, well, we haven't seen them. Or, we got rid of them. You know, they may not always tell you the truth. You know, a lot of business owners will dance around the truth. You know, it may be the whole truth. It may not be the truth and not the whole truth, you know. But, all right, let's see when we get there. Look, there's an awful lot of stores boarded up in Philadelphia, a whole lot. So how is a store like that going to open up during this pandemic? 1709. There we go. 1709. All right, yo, you see how good God is? I drove all the way from Philly, and I wouldn't have been able to see the windows, but the contractor just got finished locking up. If that ain't God, then I don't know what is, man. I drove 40 minutes to come here to look at this store. That's amazing. The Lord never ceased to amaze me. He is great, man. Just as I was getting here, the contractor was locking that door up, man. That is fantastic. All right, so I couldn't videotape the whole ordeal because that guy he was ready to roll, man. As soon as I pulled up, he was ready to roll. Now imagine I came over here, wasted gas money and toll money, and couldn't look at the job that I told the guy I was going to look at today. That would have never been good. All right, so you guys see the windows. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 24 little box windows up top, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 windows and 2 doors. So that's 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30 windows altogether, in and out. Give me your price. Let's go now. See at the top. Okay.